Let's talk about my new thing here. This is very cool. This comes in handy when spotting anything to film or video. But I kind of found this by accident, and it works great. If I'm doing anything to video, I see the guy with the motorcycle running here. What I'm going to do here, hit this button, which is a spot cursor. Now what this does is anything that's selected, anywhere that the cursor moves, that's going to follow it. No matter what functions, no matter what function the cursor is doing. If the cursor is fast forwarding, rewinding, even playing, that's gonna follow that cursor no matter where it is. Even if I do fast, boom. So it's fantastic for spotting because all you have to do is I could just hit play, and when that motorcycle drives down, all I got to do is just take this button out and drop it. Trim this a little bit. So now what I'll do is I'll just show you. I'll put the spot cursor on, and I'll just shuttle to where that cycle comes in. And just undo it, just let it go. I could even spot frame here too. Spot frame is also going to follow the cursor. See, there you go. And it's not just for spotting for films. It's great for like working with loops and stuff because I could do stuff like drop kick drums and snares in different parts. All right, let's pretend that there's a door closed when he comes in. All right, boom. Let's pretend that it shuts right there. Turn the spot cursor off. Let's play it. So now it's just going to be like, see? So if I want it right here, boom, it's right there. And then also this one has all my split it cursors, split range, duplicate, locators to selection. So that'll locate there. Bounce that track. Fade into cursor. So if I have, or fade out the cursor. So if I want that to fade out, I could even take the end, trim that ending a little bit. Say I want it to fade out, right, say around there. All I gotta do is fade out the cursor. I'll undo those fades. Or just do it manually by incrementing the fade out length. And then process history. This one does not have any. My close window. Close window is just an Alt F4 ASCII command. Here's my select. I could select the tracks by adding the next one or adding the previous if I needed to do something. Then here I got my toolbars up front. And on every page, basically, I have my grid and markers here too. Mutant solo, cut, copy, global copy, paste, and delete. I could also take the volume up and down here, event volume, on this track by selecting it and just moving up my volume. It's nice when mixing. There's the end, start a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And that's it for that page.